Hi guys, so for today's vlog, so ayan, kagigising ko lang guys, and then bababa kami para mag-breakfast dito sa Marriott. So tingnan nyo yung view guys, so sobrang init sa labas, pero okay lang, pero sobrang ganda pa rin ng view. At makikita nyo dyan yung swimming pool. Ayan, wala pang tao kasi sobrang aga pa. So 7:30 ito ng umaga. And then bababa kami para mag-breakfast. So ayan, ito yung itsura ng restaurant kung saan meron kaming complimentary breakfast. So buffet siya guys. So ayan, makikita ninyo yung mga iba't ibang klaseng food. So may vegetarian station. Ayan, may oatmeal. Hindi ko mabuksan guys kasi natatakot ako. Baka mapaso ako. At yung ube champurado. Ayan, and then pwede kang magpagawa ng waffles or pancakes. At nandito yung mga bacon, ham. At saka, ayan, may curry sila. So, ayan guys. I think pwede kang gumawa ng burrito dito. Ayan, Mediterranean Station. So, ayan. So, healthy options and fruits. Ayan. So, ayan. May watermelon sila, guys. Favorite ko yan. So, ano yung favorite ninyo, guys? Comment down below. So, ito yung first batch ng food ko, guys. Ayan. May ube pandesal. Sobrang sarap niyan, guys. At ito, sinerve sa amin yung lumpia or turon. Ayan. And then, meron din silang taho. Ayan. O, diba guys, at home talaga. So, ayan, nag-start na silang kumain. Si Kuya Jiro, si G-Style, and Kuya Chris. So, ayan, medyo inaantok pa sila, pero okay lang. Ayan. Nag-start na kaming kumain.
A few moments later.
So, after namin mag-breakfast, guys, so dumaan kami dito para mag-fitting ng kanyang suit si Kuya Chris. Kasi siya na lang yung inaantay. So, ayan si G-Style at ako, at si Kuya Chris at si Kuya Jiro. Ayan. So, waiting kami dun sa suit na i-fit niya. So, kasi bukas na yung kasal, guys. So, ayan. So, tinatry na ni Kuya Chris. O, diba? Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung suit na isusuot niya bukas.
1 hour later.
Oo, kasi marami kami kaibigan eh. Nag-uwi ng Pampanga.
Oh, nice. Good. Thank you for
Now, this area here is a little tougher. Breathe in and out. Relax your shoulders. Good. No, you didn't hit me this time. Okay, so this is heart, lung, stomach. This is more liver, gallbladder, spleen, pancreas area. But these nerves are critical to those organs. Down here, T7 and T6, T5, T4, and T3, and T2. So most of your pattern is right here. So you must be sitting a lot. Computer. Turn over into your back. Okay, right down. Okay, good. Now, arms up and hold tight. Don't let me push them down. Okay, hold tight. Good. Turn your arms in. Squeeze tight. Lebanon. Hold. Push. Hold. Good strong. Good strong. Don't do it. Impact. That's 5. You like the sun?
Yeah, I just came back from Guatemala. So
Guatemala.
Yeah.
Oh, what's it like there?
beautiful.
Yeah?
Beautiful. Yeah. Hot.
I go down to Mexico quite a bit. Mexico.
What part?
Oh, all over Mexico, Costa Rica, Nicaragua. Okay, so your subluxation's on the right side, C7. You can feel that right in through here. So C7. Okay, just roll with me. You won't fall. I got you, but I need you almost right on the edge of the table. Relax. There we go. Good job. See? Kabila. Now, bring your hips over this side. Yep. Okay, this knee up. And like that, this leg straight. And come this way a little bit more. Good. And right there, okay. Just roll with me. Relax your shoulders. Just roll. Let it rest. There we go. On your back. Okay. Now your muscles are strong. You obviously work out. You're a runner, so you won't notice too much difference with your strength. But you just relax your head down with a rest. Good. On this side, relax. See 5, 6. So I don't want to go in too deep. Okay, let's have a look at this young fella here. So this is Uncle. Okay, legs are balanced. And pelvis. Okay, your pelvis is a little bit PI right, AS left. A little bit of a twist. Okay? All right, let's check your strength here. Hold that leg there. Don't let me push it down. Labanan, hold. Let's try it again. Hold tight. Don't let me move it. +5. Let's do this one up. Same time. Hold tight. Push. +5. Okay. Now I can feel most of. Drop your arms down. Most of the stuckness, so to speak, is right here. And a little bit here. Okay, so. Write down L5 on the left side, L4, L3, T10, you can feel some of this, T10, T9, T8, T6, 5, 4, T3. Okay, turn over on your back.
It's like a couple hour ferry ride.
Okay, arms up and hold them. Don't let me push them in. Hold tight. Okay, let's do it again. Hold. Okay, turn them in. Squeeze tight. Hold. Squeeze. Elbow straight. Hold tight. Hold. Hold. Let's try it again. Hold tight, squeeze, hold. +4 pecs, +5 deltoids. Okay. Yeah. Shoulder. Yeah. That will probably strengthen with adjustments to the neck. Subluxations in the neck at C6.
Yes.
C5. You can feel that one right there. C5, C4. That one as well. Okay. So I'm going to adjust. Relax your head down. Good. C4, 5. Relax on this side, let it go. C5, 6.
Yeah.
That's a big one on the right side. That's why that side's a little bit weaker. Arms up. And elbow straight. Hold tight. Hold. Now it's 100%. Okay? Yeah. So it's electricity, it flies through there really quick. So you're in, where are you? Guam?
Japan.
Japan, okay. Yeah, right. I think they have chiropractors in Japan.
Yes, I actually started it with
Okay, go and continue. Make sure you're on a regular
2
basis.
hours later.
So, dumaan kami dito sa barbershop ni Kuya Paulo. So, magpapagupit si Kuya Jiro and si Kuya Chris. So, nauna na si Kuya Jiro. So, ayan. Ayaw pa nga niya magpagupit, guys. Pero, in-encourage namin talaga siyang at least i-trim or ipantayin lang yung buhok niya. So, ayan. Nagdi-discuss na sila kung anong klaseng hairstyle ang gusto niya. Kasi talagang pinilit lang talaga namin siyang magpagupit. So, ayan. Nag-start na sila, guys. Maggupitan. So, ayan. So, soft opening pa lang yung barbershop ni Kuya Paulo dito sa Pampanga. So, balitaan na lang namin kayo pag nag-grand opening na si Kuya Paulo ng kanyang barbershop. So, ayan guys.
3 hours later.
So, ayan, nakasunod na si Kuya Miguel and Kuya Raf from Manila. So, ayan, nakalimutan ko kung ano yung pinagdidiskusyonan nila dito ng mga boys. Pero, ayan, masayang-masaya kami at kasama namin sila dito sa Pampanga. So, ayan, gigimik na sila. And kami naman ni G-Style ay pupunta dito sa Hard Rock. So, ayan, tuwang-tuwa kami kasi talagang lagi kaming nagpupunta sa Hard Rock kasi nag-e-enjoy talaga kami. Mapa Manila at syempre ngayon dito sa Pampanga, meron na silang Hard Rock. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam guys kung kailan sila nag-open. So, ayan guys, tignan ninyo. So, kung nakapunta na kayo dito guys, comment down below kung ano yung experience ninyo. So, ayan, si G-Style, naantay na namin yung mga order namin. So, wala masyadong tao nung nagpunta kami. Pero later on, dumami na rin yung mga tao. So, ayan, nakaka-relax naman talaga guys. Kasi talagang favorite namin magpunta talaga ng Hard Rock kahit saan man kami nandong country. So, ayan, ito na yung mga in-order namin drinks. So, nakalimutan ko guys kung ano yung mga in-order namin. Basta, ayan. At hindi kami masyadong nag-order ng madami kasi kumain na rin kami somewhere. So, at ayan na yung kanilang sisig na paborito namin ni G-Style. So, ayan. O, diba guys? Tingnan nyo naman, ang saya-saya, diba? So, paano hindi ka pupunta dito kung ganyan naman talaga yung happenings? Araw-araw, gabi-gabi. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo naman guys, diba? Lahat nag-e-enjoy at ang galing-galing talaga ng banda nila dito sa Hard Rock Cafe. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo. Sumasayaw din yung mga crew. At, ayan. Tingnan nyo. So, iba't ibang table, may mga celebration ng kung ano-ano. So, paano guys? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time guys. Bye-bye!